Assalamu alaikum and hello everybody. This is Authentic Indian Cuisine and Vlogs. I'm going to show you today. Basically, I've got roast. I'm going to make roast chicken. I've got a full chicken cut on the bone. I've cut it into small pieces. I've got the chicken like this so I could marinate in a bit. So I'm just getting all the chicken together, ready for marinating the chicken. Now I'm going to add a turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to mix all the chicken nice and wellly, so all the chickens are mixed properly with the turmeric powder. Now you can see, like, I'm going to put it in the oil. It's going to fry roughly about 10 minutes. So we'll make sure you see before you take it out if it's cooked or not. When this chicken is white inside, it's cooked. I'm cooking in a medium to high heat, so the oil is quite hot. So you have to make sure you turn the chicken around, mix it around a little bit so it cooks, all cooks like everywhere. As you can see, it's gone quite golden, brownish, golden color. You could see it looks cooked. So I'm just showing you, moving about and making sure, it's ready. I'm going to take it out now. Actually, it's looking quite good. The chicken, it's come out really nice. I could see, it's moist. I could see still, it's fried, but it's still moist inside, so it's not overcooked because of the heat. You have to maintain the heat, guys. If you put it really high heat, then the chicken will burn outside and it'll get really tough when you're eating it. So it's medium to low heat, so it's enough. Yeah, as you could see, my chicken is all ready. I think I'm going to take out soon now. Yeah, I'm going to dry all the oils before I, basically put it in the dish. Yeah, I'm going to take all the chicken out now. It's ready. As you can see, I've took the chicken out, put it in a bowl. It looks great. I'm gonna get the pan ready with oil now to cook my sauce that I'm gonna use for the roast chicken. I put garlic and ginger all together. I'm gonna mix it well and make sure, guys, it's in low heat for first because you don't want to burn everything. So I'm gonna add all my spices. This is bay leaves, 4 or 5. I'm gonna use about cinnamon stick 2 or 3, and roughly about maybe 4 or 5, 6 cardamoms I'm gonna use. I'm gonna let that fry for about a few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes, in low heat or medium heat. But you have to make sure that you're next to the pan, make sure it's not burning. And yeah, as you can see, my heat is okay. So I'm gonna add the rest of the recipe. I've got tomatoes, I've got coriander, guys, I've got 4 or 5 medium hot chilies, I've got yellow pepper, I've got onions sliced, and I've got diced onions as well there. As you can see, everything is fresh, and I'm gonna easily chop some of the ingredients singly, not all together. Okay, I'm adding the chopped onions first, so I got base sauce under the chicken. So this is like a chopped small pieces of onions that's going to be mashed by the time everything gets cooked. Then I'm going to add the slices of the onions, because I want the onion to stay when I've finished cooking, so it's roasted. This is tomato, about 4 tomato I put in. I'm gonna put that. So I'm gonna put the yellow pepper as well, chilies, and as I said, everything basically. Okay, I'm gonna add salt now. Teaspoon salt. I'm gonna give it a good stir, so all this all mix with everything else. I'm gonna leave it for about 5 minutes or so and check after. Yeah, now it looks all right, halfly done. It's not too bad, guys, so it's getting there slowly. I'm a little bit tired as well, guys, so my voice maybe is a bit tired, but don't mind me. But you know, the onions and everything else looks great, as I wanted. I'm gonna put the lid back on and open it again and see. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's almost done. I'm gonna add water, hot water from the tap, half a cup, to basically get my onions really soft. I'm gonna add now basically chopped tomato from because as I'm making roast, so I want a tomato base little bit. As you can see, I give it a stir to make sure it's not burning or anything. Now I'm gonna add my spices. I'm gonna first add turmeric, half a teaspoon. I'm gonna add 1 spoon of mixed powdered teaspoon, and I'm gonna half a teaspoon of chili powder, guys. I'm gonna add. I'm gonna give it a good stir now to mix all the spices. Just giving it a good stir, guys, so all the spices mixes, and then I'm gonna add the chicken in a bit. So I'm just mixing it. Okay, all the chickens are in the pan with the sauce, so I'm gonna give it a good stir. So chicken gets moist as well, guys, and flavor goes in as well in the chicken from the sauce. As you can see, it's already roasty style dry. I've not put too much water in, because when you put too much water in, the chicken flavor, because I've fried it, it loses the texture and the taste. So you want to make sure when you put the chicken, it's quite dry sauce. So as you can see, it's looking great now. It's almost done. I'm just finishing off. Yep, looking fine. I think soon, another couple of minutes, guys. Okay, and then I'm gonna put in a dish. As you can see, I've decorated fried tomato, coriander, fresh. I've got, like, you know, baby lettuce, what you could get from shops. As you can see, I like my veg as well with the roast. I cannot just have plain. Okay, the dish is done. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon with the next video.